Hey guys, LechK here. In the middle of my sauna build here, doing shingles on my roof right now, and I wanted to quickly share a quick review on this ToughBuilt Reload Utility Knife. It's been awesome. It's a beast. All metal build, rubber grips here and here. Feels solid, compared to like a standard utility knife. Definitely got more size, so if you like the smaller compact ones, it's not for you. But if you need for like doing shingles right now, this is a nice heavy duty build. The reload function is actually really cool. It's a magazine design, so you pop it out. Comes with 2 magazines. It was 20 bucks in Lowe's. I have 5 blades in each holder here, and then you slide this up. You can also store 5 or 10 blades in here. I'll put the specs and link to it below because I don't remember exactly. On the back of the magazine, you have 1, 2, and 3 markers, basically, so you can know what kind of blades you have. You can, basically just put 1, 2, or 3. So I have 2 different blades. Came with 5 of the standard blades. Comes with a release button. So when you hit the release, pull it out. I've been beating this up so it's a little dirty, but still holding up. And now pops a new one in. So same with that one. Pop it out. New one. And you can go all the way down to 5. You can release it when it's open. Common sense. You can quickly pop them back in. Just slide it right in like this. Good to go. And now it also came with a 5-pack of the hook blades. These are great for the shingles. You want to use this for cutting shingles, actually, asphalt shingles. And even these blades really cut, really smooth, really nice. But blades are just blades. But the hook ones do a really nice job. I'll show you guys in a second. I just wanted to share it. Nice feel, solid metal build. Awesome little knife. Let me show you guys how it cuts. And that's really it. And the hook blade, same thing. You can eject them. Get a fresh one out. Boom, shingle gun. Super smooth, super simple. And same thing with the standard blades. Asphalt shingles, slices it like nothing. Maybe in the air. You don't like that one, switch to the hook. Yep. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel, check out the sauna build, check out how to roof a shed. I have all the videos posted on my channel and lots more. Thank you guys.